Yes, yes, it's
Me and my daddy.
yep. And we coming to you guys with a DIY today. And this one is a what, Callie?
This one is a step one to learn how to put labels on bins.
Yeah, so we figured that we'll get Callie some bins just so that she has her clothes set out for the week and she's ready for school on Monday.
And make sure you subscribe to iLuvCali on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And make sure you hit that like button.
Absolutely. Make sure you guys like and subscribe because guess what? We're going to be coming with all new content once a week, most likely on Sundays. So please make sure you hit that subscribe and that notification button.
If you did already, thank you.
So here we go.
We're going to first take off the plastic.
Yep.
And as you can see, then you take away the little white pieces of little cardboard.
Yep, and we got our little helper here today, as you can see. So we got Nori helping out, Mommy's helping out. And the first thing you need to do is take out the drawers.
Yes.
So as you're taking out the drawers,
My mom's setting them up to put them in a decent spot. And we bought 5 of them for each week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
yep.
And Friday.
Yeah, and what happens on Friday?
We get to wear whatever we want.
Yep. So Callie goes to a school where she wears uniform most of the time. So we wanted to get 5 days so that she could have her school uniform Monday through Thursday. And then guess what? On Fridays, she gets to make her fashionista box, so we like to call it, because on Friday she can wear whatever she wants at school. So here we have it. We took all the plastic out and here's the setup. And as you can see,
My mom's taking a little picture of me. And as you can see, the bins are as tall as me.
yeah, and we didn't want to go too tall, so these bins were perfect because they're exactly at Callie's height. And when we put them in her bedroom, she'll be able to get in and out of the drawers to get dressed early in the morning and get ready for school.
And as you can see, we don't have Saturday and Sunday because Saturday and Sunday would be too high. So we only put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday.
Yep. So now that we have them set up, here's the big reveal for how it's set up. And you guys can get these bins on Amazon. So now it's moving on to the next step, which is...
You're putting tape on the little letters.
Yep. So Mom, what did she do? She got these off of Cricut. She was able to print them out and just utilize some blue tape so that Callie is able to go ahead and start sticking them on.
Yeah. And now we are going to be putting them on now.
Yep, so we went ahead and did Monday, and basically you just take the tape and you put it right onto the bin. So we're finished with Monday. Here comes peeling off on Tuesday.
Now, after Tuesday, it's Wednesday.
Yep, and the reason why we did blue tape is because it's very easy for you to kind of peel them off. It's that painter's tape, and you can buy it for about $4 or $5 in your local store. And realistically, that's all we had in the house.
Except for some clear tape that was just a little bit small.
Yes, and we got Nori in the background. She's kind of like walking around and getting into a little bit of things. And as you can see, we're now on Wednesday, which is...
Hump Day!
Yep, we call it Hump Day. And that's when Callie is like starting to realize that the end of the week is coming. And she only has one more day before she gets to her Fashionista Fridays. So now we're trying to peel it off nice and gentle. You don't want to peel it too fast because then some of the letters might come off.
Yeah, and then we don't want that.
Exactly. So Callie, which day of the week would you say is your favorite day of the week?
Monday.
Monday? Why?
Because I get to see my teacher again after a little bit of a long week.
Yeah, after a little bit of a weekend and a little break. So you like Mondays? That's pretty cool because some people don't like Mondays.
And I also like Fridays.
Yeah. Why you like Fridays?
Because we get to dress up, like we get to do whatever we want.
Absolutely, absolutely. So now we're just making sure that all of the letters are good and that everything is fine. We're making sure that they're sticking, and look, Nori's helping us. But so far, so good. So let's now look and see what happens when we get to the end of the work week, or the end of the school week, rather, which is Thursday and Friday.
Yeah.
All right. So now it's time to grab Thursday and Friday, and
Oh.
there's a little bit of an issue here.
Nori accidentally put Friday and Thursday together.
Yeah, just a little bit, but it's no big deal because if we really wanted to, we could reprint them. But for right now, we're just trying to salvage the situation. But
I think my mom has it. She actually pulled them out.
yeah, we're gonna try to pull them apart just to try to salvage them. She sticks it on the bin. You know, Nori is just coming into the camera right now. She's like, I did it. She said, don't blame me. Yep, so look, she knows what we're talking about, but that's our baby sis. But we got it fixed.
Yay!
Yep, so now let's see how Thursday comes out because we did have a little bit of a blunder, but
Let's see the reveal.
drum roll, people. And
It's perfect.
it's perfect. She fixed it. Yep. Mommy did a great job. She has able to salvage it. So now it's time for
Friday, my favorite.
Yeah.
Favorite day.
yeah, it's your favorite day because it's Fashionista Fridays,
Yeah.
where Cali gets to kind of express herself. And as you guys know from following her from over the years, she's definitely into fashion and loves to wear her accessories and her new jeans that she's been wearing.
And I also do affirmations on each day. And y'all probably seen one of my videos of little things of affirmations.
Yes, so make sure you guys are following Cali on Instagram as well. But we're definitely trying to go ahead and give you guys all new content for YouTube and for TikTok as well. So we're very, very proud of Cali and she's doing a great job. So this is just something that has really helped us tremendously as parents, and it helps from Cali and her mom getting into it in the morning because her outfits are already set, right?
Yeah. Let's see the reveal of all the pins.
Let's see, did it come out good? I think so. What do you guys think?
Yay!
We did it. We're at the end. So Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys learned something today.
Bye guys. Love y'all.